Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Art by Juno. Today we're going to do a level 1 oil pastel drawing, and this video has no background music so that you can play and enjoy your own music selection. And of course, you can just keep the volume on if you want some tips and tricks throughout the video. And get your art supplies ready, and here we go. Okay, first step, let's fix the paper in place on the desk. I used a masking tape of 1.25 cm in width so that you don't have to cut it. And then we start by coloring the night sky. So I choose pale blue. Colors vary. You can choose your own colors if you want, but we start by the lightest. And next, cobalt blue, a darker blue for the top part. And followed by black. Black is for the topmost, so it's like the sun is setting and then you have your night sky coming. By the way, please subscribe if you like the video. So the next step, we use a piece of tissue paper, fold it, and then we start blending the night sky. The tip here is to not use too much strength, just a little bit, but you have to make sure visually you can see that the colors are blending together, and you cover as much of the paper, the little white spots, as much as possible. And next, we layer the colors. Usually I'll layer it based on my own discretion. Wherever I think that it's not enough, I'll add more colors to it. And after layering, we blend again. Same thing, remember, do not use too much strength, of course not too little as well. Yes, it gets tiring as well, so rest up, change hands, and continue. So once again, the idea here is to make sure that the colors blend very nicely. And you can layer as and when you like by patching the sky, patching the background, and then blend it. Okay, next we have chrome yellow. Now this is where we start drawing the horizon. So first we apply a layer of the yellow color first. This is where the sun is setting. Okay, notice there's a curve at the top and bottom of this yellow color, and that is to show that the curve of the earth. Once that is done, we have our red color. And notice for the yellow, we have like a curve there. And so your red color shall follow the curve. So the reason for the curve, it's the horizon. So it's almost we're mimicking a wide angle lens, capturing a picture. And then we start blending. Same thing, have a piece of tissue paper, fold it. You have to use a new piece of tissue paper to make sure that the colors do not stain each other. So just now, the piece of paper that you used to color the blue, it's best that you use a fresh new piece of tissue paper. Okay, next we have the crimson lake. Now this is a darker shade of red color that we apply at the top and the bottom of the horizon. And the part, if you notice, is gonna intersect with the blue color. This is literally where the night sky and the sunset meets. So have the crimson lake cover the blue, overlap it a little bit, and then we will blend it later. As well as the bottom. Okay, so same thing, use a piece of tissue paper and then we start blending them together. So notice how we try and cover the white little spots, top and bottom. Okay, next we use the white color, number 29. Okay, so the reason why for this is to soften the edges. So look how we color the sky as well as where the horizon meets. Okay, chrome yellow again. And this time around we use the chrome yellow to layer the horizon. Now layering will allow your picture to look more dynamic. And next up we have a correction pen. The correction pen is for you to draw in the larger stars. In order for us to create a dynamic looking starry night, we will have bigger stars followed by small stars later. Okay, and now let's use the white color gel pen to draw the twinkles in the stars. So just randomly select a few and then start drawing these little sharp edges around a few stars. The number of stars is entirely up to you. Okay, once you're done drawing the twinkles, then let's do the little stars. So because the tip of this gel pen is smaller, you will see smaller stars. So you can see here, the larger star and the smaller stars combined will give you a nicer, more dynamic looking night sky. Okay, and then we have a pencil. Let's use you can use anything from the 8B to 10B, as long as it's dark enough. Let's draw the grass, or the tips of the grass. And then let's start drawing the couple. So you can draw the couple any way you like it. You don't have to draw the exact same looking couple as what I've done here. It's up to you. They can be walking, holding hands. They can be facing the horizon. In this case, I have the couple right in the center holding a bouquet of flowers. Now the pencil is only there for you to draw the outline. And then next we use the black oil pastel to fill in the inside. And then of course, for those areas where it's really hard to reach with the oil pastel, we'll bring back the pencil to draw the tiny little details. And also, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, next, let's bring back the black pastel again. And then we start filling in the grass patch. So apply generously. Cover all the little white spots as much as possible. And then let's use the pencil again to draw the little spiky grass tips. Okay, next we bring back the tissue paper and then we start to blend the grass patch. This is important because we can keep the consistency of the texture. Okay, and then let's use a drawing compass. The size of the crescent, again, is up to you. It's a crescent, so let's just draw around half of it, just to mark out the place. And then let's use the white pastel, number 29, to outline and color the crescent. So a crescent obviously is going to be sharp on both sides and then thicker at the center. Okay, and then we use tissue paper to lightly blend the white color. Same thing to keep the texture consistent to the style of this drawing. So let's blend it upwards a little bit into the night blue sky so that you can see the glow. And then once it's done, let's layer it again. So with that, you can actually see the crescent against the blended glowing background. Okay, next up, let's use the correction pen and create some pattern on the skirt. And then let's bring back the white color, the white pastel, and start highlighting a little bit on the outline of the couple. The outline is to show that the moonlight is shining down on them. Okay, then the white gel pen. Okay, this is the same as using the white oil pastel. It's for the highlight. Okay, and then let's use the correction pen. Same thing to highlight the crescent to make it stand out a little bit more. And then let's use a piece of tissue paper again to blend the correction pen fluid into the crescent. Okay, after that, bring back the oil pastel, white color, number 29, and start to blend in the correction pen and the crescent again. Alright, next up, let's use the white oil pastel to layer the clouds. So just now we have softened the edges, and right now let's use this to color the clouds a little bit so that it looks like there's a little bit of mist. And next, let's do the blending again so that we can blend the night sky and the horizon together. Okay, we're done. And there is no better feeling than tearing away the masking tape once you're done with your picture. And right now, what you can do is go to a bookstore or IKEA to buy a square photo frame so that you can hang this up anywhere you like, in your bedroom, in your living room. And of course, this is also a perfect gift for your partner. Thanks for watching my videos. This channel is designed for everyone and anyone with or without art background. The art is made simple for you, your friends and family to come together and have a good time creating art that you love. If you've enjoyed my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos.